Hello, it's Adrian from Webbers in Great Torrington. Welcome to this development built by Gilbert and Good, a firm of builders from Cornwall that have built up an amazing following since they started in 1972. This development has a real community spirit in a great village called Merton. I'd love to show you around. Come and have a look. I'm in the show home, which is a 3-bed detached house. The fitments throughout these properties are amazing. The attention to detail is second to none. You've got light oak frame doors. In the kitchen breakfast rooms, which we're in today, you've got a fridge, a freezer, built-in dishwasher, 4-ring electric hob, extractor, oven. In the larger 4-bed detaches, you've got a 5-ring hob. You've got French doors going out into the gardens. There's a terrace. This particular plot is a real gem. It's south facing at the back. So whilst we are filming inside the show house, this design follows through all of the houses. They have downstairs cloakroom, double glazing, plastic soffits and fascias, air source heat pumps. The attention to detail, as I've said before, is extraordinary. Continuing our journey through the show home, as you come up the stairs, you overlook the garden, some of the rooftops, and you see Dartmoor in the distance. From the front here, I'm overlooking fields. Double bedroom, there's a second double bedroom, a good sized single, and with the main bedroom, you have an ensuite. So within the heart of the development, you've got this wonderful street scene. They're terraced houses with 3 bedrooms, bathroom, sitting room, kitchen breakfast room, cloakroom. Again, the same attention to detail that you've seen inside the show house. Doors out into the garden. Here, you've got low maintenance covered porches. You look to the fields at the back. And at the front, you walk out and you've got a lovely, wide, open green area. And parking just around the corner. So the houses have rear access. They've got sheds, air source heat pumps. And this particular plot, the parking is just outside there. And there are steps into a local lane and walks abound. So behind me, you find the 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, sitting room, kitchen breakfast room, study and cloakroom. Detached homes with garage and car parking. And as the development is on a slight rise, you come out the front door and you look down to the church and the hillside beyond. Gilbert and Good offer a 10-year NHBC guarantee with all the properties. And as far as local amenities are concerned, from the Maltings, you've got the church, village school, hall with gymnasium and a very good pub. If you'd like to know more about these brilliant homes with the 10-year NHBC guarantee, do please give the office a ring on 01805 624 334. We'd love to talk to you about them. They're super.